I look like freaking Wendy's. I think it's pretty good, but I still should stop. Happy Pride! I don't know why I did that. Today is a very exciting video. I say that like every single time, but actually I do mean it this time because today I'm going to be coloring my eyebrows with this palette that I got from the drugstore. I have no idea what brand this is, but hopefully it is okay. It's called Revolution. So in honor of Pride, I'm gonna be coloring my eyebrows every single color of the rainbow, and I think it will be fun. So first off, obviously, you'll need your colors. Second, you will need some concealer. The thicker the better, and the more coverage the better, because we are going to be using this to cover our whole eyebrow. I'm hoping that it works. It's a little bit horrifying, I'm not gonna lie, but I like it. You know, it's not bad. It's like the bleached eyebrow look. Some girls look really nice with bleached eyebrows. I am not girls. So we're gonna open up this bad boy. It's super cute. It's like those little art palettes that you get from like the craft store. Alright, so we're gonna be starting off with red. Roy Jibiv. Don't Let Me Down $12 palette. It's looking awful. When I edit it again on my computer and it's like blown up, I know this is gonna look a little bit goofy. You know what? For Pride, because I love the LGBTQ plus community. I look like freaking Wendy's. Like the burger girl. It's actually kind of cute. Like low-key, like from afar. From afar. Yes. Oh no. I shouldn't have done that. Okay, wait. Maybe? I'm not mad at it, to be honest. Would I wear it out? Maybe. I would get roasted probably. There's gonna be one of you. There's gonna be a lot of you that can pull this off, but I'm not you. Maybe the other colors will be better. This next color is orange. Very cute. I said that like a million times, I'm sorry. I really hope my eyebrows do not just crust off after this. Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean. I feel bare, but I like it. Time to go in. This doesn't look like it's showing up. So I may or may not have forgotten to press record for the last like 20 minutes of me applying this, but honestly it's fine. It was just me struggling the whole time because this is actually a lot harder than the red. Yellow is definitely gonna be a pain in the booty hole, but I have high hopes. Like on camera you can see that it's orange, but in person it looks a little bit weird. It just looks like I have like super oxidized concealer on my eyebrows. Honestly, I'm content with this because I don't think I'm gonna get any better than this, so I would say that's a partial success. Alright, so this is how it's looking. I just wish the colors were more vibrant, you know? Like it's very like tinted. You can definitely tell that's orange like from close up. Because if you look like really closely, you can see like the exact outline of my concealer, my eyeshadow, and like everything else in between. So next color we're gonna do is yellow. I'm a little bit nervous for this one just because the other two were kind of already hard to get the pigment out and it's way darker. I'm debating now though if I should try to put white underneath just so the color shows up more, or that could like mess everything up. It might make it even lighter, but I'll try. We'll see if that works better. If I'm being quite honest with you, I don't think it's working, but thank God for eyelashes. I don't know how much powder would have gone into my eyes if this was not curled right now. Alright, so now I'm gonna try the yellow. This one may be a miss. That's okay. We're living and we're learning. And I'm learning to... my voice just cracked. We're learning not to buy $12 palettes anymore. This looks like a bad bleach job. It looks like something went wrong at the hair salon and they sent you home because they didn't want to do more damage. I think that means I should stop, but I feel like maybe I can get this. Alright, so my camera ran out of memory, so I had to reformat the card. In the midst of that, I figured out the secret formula. I've just been like brushing it up and like dusting it on very lightly. It's gonna look like a bad dye job every single time. Voila! How are those bad boys looking? It's like the Justin Timberlake like noodle era, the noodle hair era. I mean, that's not necessarily a bad thing. I don't know, what do you think? I can't even hear what you're saying. Okay, so that's how it's looking. It looks a lot better than I thought it would be. I thought it wouldn't show up at all. So next up is green. This is my favorite color, so I'm super excited to see what it looks like. Again with the concealer. Alright, so I think that's dried enough, and we're going to go in with the eyeshadow. Turning into the Grinch. Oh, the color is coming off very well. Wow, this one actually looks the best. I look like the Joker. Haha. I'll have to cut that out. Honestly, I don't think it's Revolution's fault. My eyebrows are super silky, so it's very understandable that most of these didn't become as pigmented as I wanted them to. Oh, I just fell on my nose. Oh, I fucked up. Whatever. This is so cute. You probably don't think it's cute, but kinda is. It definitely is way more visible than the other ones. Alright, so this is how the green's looking. From afar, I look like a clown, but that's okay. I love clowns. Even though the Joker has like red eyebrows, it's kinda giving me the Joker vibes, you know? I showed my mom, she's like, it's so cute. I know she's lying. So next color is blue. I'm gonna try to do the lighter one. If that one doesn't work, I will use the darker one. Time to get started. I know it looks horrible now. Trust me, when I brush it out, it will be a little bit more even. It looks frosty. Kind of like Elsa. I don't know why I have to keep on associating every eyebrow color with a character, but kind of does remind me of her. Does she have... No, she's blonde. It is all over my nose. Alright, so this is what the blue's looking like. It showed up really, really well. Definitely looks like a little bit messy, but that's the same for like all of them. You know, I thought colored brows would be like really weird looking, but I kind of like it. Like I showed a picture to my friends and they're like, oh, what the fuck is going on there? I think they just don't understand self-expression. And they're boring. Alright, so next up we're gonna be doing purple. I know it's purple, it's violet and indigo, but I'm probably gonna group those together just because I think it'll look the same. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with purple. Alright, so that's how purple's looking. It kind of just looks like my natural eyebrows, but like with a purple tint. I look like Gengar. I don't know. I'm okay with it. I definitely like it more than the first three, so. Alright, so now that I'm done all the colors in the rainbow, I'm gonna do a little bonus one, which is pink. This will be the last step before the grand finale. I cannot wait until I can stop putting friggin' concealer on my eyebrows constantly. Alright, and time for pink. Okay, lava girl. You know? What did she say again? Everything that is or was began with a dream. I agree with her. Don't want to overdo it because my eyebrows are literally burning right now from all the rubbing and brushing and poking, and it kind of does look like the red one, but it does have like a fuchsia tint to it, but I like it a lot more than the red one. So that's what it's looking like up close. I like it. Do I love it? No. But do I hate it? No. I don't know, maybe this will be a new innovation to my face. Probably not. I should try to do this with my whole head. No, I shouldn't. Horrible idea. So for the grand finale that we've all been waiting for, or just me, because I don't think any of you knew this was gonna happen, I'm gonna be doing the whole rainbow on my eyebrow. I was thinking of doing it vertically for both of them, but I'm thinking maybe now I'll do one of them vertically and then one of them horizontally. I think that'll be fun, right? Yeah? Okay. I'm so happy that this is the last time I'm gonna have to do this. Alright, so like before, we'll start off with red. Right, so for this one, I'll do it vertically, and then for this one, I'll do it horizontally. I don't know if this one's gonna work. It's way too thin to make a horizontal rainbow. Doesn't mean I won't try though. Okay, now we're gonna move on to orange. It looks a little too much like the red. See what that looks like on camera. Oh my god, it looks like I got freaking hit in the face with a bloody fist. I don't know how Nikki Tutorials did this so well. I mean, she's a makeup god, so like I understand, but like I feel like the rainbow on this one is gonna go all the way down here. Alright, so now we're ready for the next one, which is yellow. I think I'm gonna have an easier time with yellow than I did with orange. We're gonna try to blend in as much as we can, but if we can't, then it's cool. Like, this one looks low-key cool. It looks like a gummy worm. See, now I still have to do the cool colors, and it took up like all of my eyebrow already. Alright, so now we're moving on to green. I just hope it blends properly with the yellow. It looks like the Jamaican flag. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. Give me a second. Give me a second. Like, you know those bags that say Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica on it? Like, it looks like that. If you've ever been to Jamaica, you'll know what I'm talking about. This looks like when you go and ask the bartender to give you a surprise. It literally looks like a Slurpee. I don't hate it though. Alright, now time for blue. Okay, now I look like a parrot. Like a literal parrot. Polly wants a cracker. Sorry. It's like I just gave myself a thick brow. And the best part is I still have one more. This is so thick. But yeah, anywho, I think it's time to move on to the next color. Purple. So, you know, I'm actually really liking this one. This one, debatable, but this one's actually kind of cool. I'm gonna try to fit it as close as I can. I don't know how it got so thick here. But the color change is very nice. It looks like an actual rainbow, like... I'm lying to myself. So this is how it's looking. If I did both of them like this, it would have been great. Yeah. This one is so cool. I'm like hyping myself up. It's not that cool, but it's cool. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching if you got this far. Happy Pride to everybody. And I just want everyone to remember to be proud of who you are. You were amazing. I hope you have a great day and I hope you have a great month. Thank you again and I will see you next time. Maybe I should try to draw a pot of gold down here. Oh my god, that looks awful. I think people will know what this is. Oh my god, yeah, it looks like a pot of gold now. Okay, wait. Let me draw the gold. Where's me pot of gold? What was that commercial from?
You can find me gold on select boxes of cereal.
This has gone so far away from the point. This is Pride, not St. Paddy's Day. We've got a little problem. Or I have got a little problem. This pink is not washing off my eyebrows and I have to go in like 2 minutes.